Hot pressing is a manufacturing process that involves the application of heat and pressure to a material to create a dense and uniform product. This process is commonly used in the production of ceramics, composites, and metals. The hot pressing process involves placing the material in a mold and then heating it to a high temperature while applying pressure. The heat and pressure cause the material to soften and flow, filling the mold and creating a dense and uniform product. Hot pressing is a popular manufacturing process because it allows for the creation of complex shapes and structures that would be difficult or impossible to produce using other methods. The process also results in a product that is highly resistant to wear and tear, making it ideal for use in high-stress applications. Additionally, hot pressing can be used to create products with a wide range of properties, including high strength, low weight, and excellent thermal and electrical conductivity. At Berkness Company, we specialize in the production of high-quality metal components using a variety of manufacturing processes, including hot pressing. Our team of experienced engineers and technicians has the expertise and equipment necessary to produce complex metal components with exceptional precision and quality. We work closely with our clients to understand their unique needs and requirements, and we use our expertise to develop customized solutions that meet their specific needs. If you are interested in learning more about hot pressing and how it can be used to produce high-quality metal components, we encourage you to visit our contact us page. Our team is always available to answer any questions you may have and to provide you with the information you need to make informed decisions about your manufacturing needs. We look forward to hearing from you and to helping you achieve your manufacturing goals. FAQs. 1. What is hot pressing in manufacturing? Hot pressing is a manufacturing process that involves applying heat and pressure to a material to shape it into a desired form. This process is commonly used in the production of ceramics, metals, and composites. 2. What are the advantages of hot pressing? Hot pressing offers several advantages over other manufacturing processes. It allows for precise control over the shape and dimensions of the final product, and can produce parts with high density and strength. Additionally, hot pressing can be used to create complex shapes and structures that would be difficult or impossible to achieve with other methods. 3. What materials can be hot pressed? A wide range of materials can be hot pressed, including metals, ceramics, and composites. The specific material used will depend on the desired properties of the final product, as well as the manufacturing process being used. Some common materials that are hot pressed include tungsten carbide, aluminum, and carbon fiber composites. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.